Ooh. Yes. Gotta unbox this baby. Just got it in today. Fight stick. Still a couple days off till the Xbox One and Killer Instinct comes out. Very hyped for this. So, check out the box. Comes with a sweet handle. You can see the back there, all the nice little features. I've yet to officially bust this thing open, honestly, and cannot wait. Thankfully, not a whole lot of tape or any of that stuff to take off. So just go ahead and get into it. Ooh. Oh, wow, this looks really nice. Oh, okay. Ooh. Nice padding on there. First, yeah, take out a little. Something. Got some tape here on the bottom. This was taped on the bottom. Ooh, comes with, just take these things out first then. Alright, so yeah, support. Thanks, Madcatz. Good old stickers. Check it out. Alright, instructions. Now, look over that, and then you got yourself a little tool here. And the pièce de résistance. Whew. Take a. Yeah. Oh. Whew. This looks nice. Too bad I don't have the system just yet, but check out the bottom. I like the bottom. It's got a nice set of padding there, so you don't get, you know, classic case of cold lap. But yeah, I mean, I'm personally gonna bust into this a little bit personally, so I'm gonna. Ooh, that feels nice. I'm digging it so far. I cannot wait to get into the official game on Friday.